Greetings from VSK Business Consultant, Chennai. Welcome, esteemed business owners. From the very inception of your enterprise, establishing a potent business name and a compelling overall brand is the bedrock upon which all success is built. This encompasses crafting a catchy product brand name, strategically selecting impactful brand colors and a memorable logo, ensuring all colors and logos should be matched across all touchpoints, including the meticulous interior design of your retail showroom and corporate office, your user-friendly website, all engaging marketing materials, and even your professional visiting card. The thoughtful application of brand colors within your physical spaces plays a pivotal role in shaping perceptions, fostering a positive environment, and ultimately driving the crucial metric of sales conversion. Continuing this vital discussion, let us underscore the foundational and enduring significance of both your business name and your product name in the intricate tapestry of branding. These are not merely labels. They are potent linguistic assets that carry immense weight in shaping customer perception, driving memorability, and ultimately influencing purchasing decisions. A well-chosen business name provides an overarching identity and builds initial trust, while a compelling product name directly communicates value and resonates deeply with your target audience, creating a tangible connection. Crucially, the business founder's brand is also of paramount importance. Your personal reputation, expertise, and vision significantly contribute to your company's credibility, attracting top-tier talent and discerning investors, and fostering an unwavering sense of trust. A strong founder brand humanizes the business, providing a relatable face and building long-term authority within your industry. Ensure your communication and actions consistently reflect your core brand values and contribute positively to your company's overall image, becoming an authentic and integral part of your brand narrative. Furthermore, every business should have a slogan, and it is indeed most important for branding. A well-crafted slogan acts as a concise and memorable distillation of your brand's essence, unique value proposition, or overarching mission. It enhances memorability, clearly differentiates you from competitors in a crowded marketplace, builds a distinct brand personality, and can forge a powerful emotional connection with your target audience, fostering loyalty and advocacy. A strong slogan should be seamlessly integrated across all your branding materials, acting as a consistent reminder of your brand promise. Finally, when implementing marketing strategies, the name of any offers or discounts is also most important for branding and driving immediate customer engagement. The way you frame your promotions can significantly impact their effectiveness and contribute to your brand perception. Clear, compelling, and strategically brand-aligned offer names can generate excitement and a sense of urgency, directly driving sales while reinforcing your brand's value proposition and creating positive associations with your offerings in the minds of consumers. To achieve a truly cohesive and impactful brand presence, remember that unwavering consistency is key. Ensure that your carefully selected brand colors and professionally designed logos are applied uniformly across all customer touchpoints, creating a visually harmonious and easily recognizable experience for your audience. This meticulous attention to detail strengthens brand recognition, builds a sense of professionalism, and avoids any visual dissonance that could potentially dilute the power and clarity of your brand message. At VSK Business Consultants, we firmly believe that a brand is built on trust. We are dedicated to helping you establish and nurture that trust with your audience through strategic and comprehensive branding solutions. To further engage with us and stay updated on our expert insights and services, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our WhatsApp channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. Visit our website, www.vsbusinessconsultant.in. For expert consultation on your brand design or interior design needs, please contact us today at 9840 336 999. Our experienced team in Chennai is ready to assist you in creating a visually compelling and strategically aligned brand presence that not only attracts attention but also builds lasting trust and drives sustainable success for your business. By prioritizing these crucial aspects and maintaining unwavering consistency, you lay the foundation for enduring brand recognition, strong customer engagement, and long term growth. Brand is trust. VSK Business Consultants.